One of the main reasons emu oil is used to treat hair loss is due to its ability to block DHT. DHT is a testosterone metabolite that prevents the hair follicles from absorbing nutrients. Starving the follicles of nutrients can cause them to shrink, begin producing hair at a reduced rate, and eventually become dormant. Using emu oil for hair loss might help dormant follicles revert back to their original healthy state. This should increase hair growth and thickness as well as prevent future hair loss. In addition to blocking DHT, emu oil might prevent hair loss by promoting cell turnover and supporting follicle development when applied to the scalp. This oil is also believed to possess anti-inflammatory properties. Using emu oil for hair loss might prevent the formation of tumor necrosis factor alpha. TNF is a cytokine that causes inflammation and might also play a role in alopecia. The effectiveness of using emu oil for hair loss is not entirely known. Studies have shown that emu oil is effective in reducing inflammation, increasing cell regeneration, and increasing hair growth. These results indicate that emu oil might be an effective hair loss treatment. Research has also shown that linolenic acid, an essential fatty acid found in emu oil, is effective in inhibiting DHT. Although research has been positive, it is important to note that few studies have been conducted on the subject as of 2011. Some individuals report positive results with emu oil while others do not notice an improvement in the quality or thickness of their hair. When using hair oil, consumers should massage the oil into their scalp at least once a day. There are many types of hair oil available to consumers. While choosing hair oil, consumers should look for pure, refined products. High-quality emu oil will be free of hormones, trans fats, preservatives, and other harmful materials. Using an impure product might expose the body to unhealthy substances and prevent a person from experiencing the full benefits of the oil.